I'm Edgar Gonzalez. I bring 20 years of experience on the automation and controls, especially in the bottling industry. I manage a team of 12 engineers. We work with PFDs, motors, HMIs, electrical components, sensors. We convert all those signals from the production floor into a SCADA system that you can see. NEX TEC is our brand new training center. Maintenance teams are very strong on the mechanical side, but sometimes they need a little bit more help on the electrical side. We're going to develop training so people can read the schematics, they can get to a control panel and feel more confident troubleshooting the different stages of signals, power, electrical components as a whole. It's backed by all the experience that we have on the field, and we bring that to these newer generations that are just starting with their careers. We're bringing all this experience, of different problems that we have seen on the floor all the time.